Dr. Walker is revolutionizing the search for life by shifting focus from biological traits to the physics of complexity. Through assembly theory, she provides a rigorous mathematical framework to quantify lifelikeness, enabling the detection of alien life regardless of its chemistry. This transforms astrobiology from a descriptive science into a predictive powerhouse. By identifying the unique structural fingerprints of complex objects, we move beyond earthly limitations to a universal understanding of existence. Her leadership at ASU's Beyond Center translates this vision into actionable discovery, providing the tools to finally confirm extraterrestrial signatures. We are no longer just guessing, we are measuring the universe's creative potential to find where life truly begins. We are moving beyond the search for life as we know it to encompass life in all its possible forms. By bridging terrestrial biology with a universal theoretical framework, we unlock the ability to detect life regardless of its chemical signature. This approach transforms our search from a narrow hunt for Earth-like analogs into a comprehensive exploration of the cosmos. The outcome is a rigorous, future-proof methodology that ensures we recognize alien biology wherever it emerges. We are no longer limited by our own origins, we are now equipped to identify the fundamental patterns of existence throughout the universe. This strategy maximizes our chances of making the definitive discovery of our time. To solve the mystery of life, we must look past physical matter to the information it processes. By decoupling hardware from software, we shift focus from what life is made of to what life does. This transforms biology into a computational science, allowing us to identify the logic of life across any chemical substrate. The outcome is a powerful framework that enables us to detect extraterrestrial life regardless of its chemistry. Mastering this informational architecture provides the predictive power to define the universal limits of existence. This shift is the key to unlocking a truly universal biology and finally identifying our place in the cosmos. We have reached the limits of traditional frameworks. While physics offers universal laws, it lacks historical context. While biology captures history, it remains purely descriptive. Assembly theory bridges this divide. It introduces a rigorous mathematical metric to quantify complexity, allowing us to measure the history embedded within matter. By unifying these fields, we move beyond guessing at life's origins to a predictive science of selection. This provides a universal toolkit for discovering life across the cosmos using quantitative signatures. We are finally equipped to detect the fingerprints of evolution anywhere, offering the scientific certainty required for the next era of exploration and fundamental discovery. We are no longer just observing life, we are measuring the laws that create it. We are moving beyond the search for life as we know it to encompass life in all its possible forms. By bridging terrestrial biology with a universal theoretical framework, we unlock the ability to detect life regardless of its chemical signature. This approach transforms our search from a narrow hunt for Earth-like analogs into a comprehensive exploration of the cosmos. The outcome is a rigorous, future-proof methodology that ensures we recognize alien biology wherever it emerges. We are no longer limited by our own origins, we are now equipped to identify the fundamental patterns of existence throughout the universe. This strategy maximizes our chances of making the definitive discovery of our time. Life is a fundamental phase in the universe's informational evolution. By unifying physics, biology, and technology, we move beyond fragmented science to a powerful, integrated framework. This approach treats selection and design as measurable physical processes, allowing us to predict the trajectory of complex systems from simple molecules to advanced technology. The result is a superior toolkit for identifying both biological and technological signatures across the cosmos. We are no longer just looking for life, we are tracking the universe's capacity for information processing. This unified vision provides the predictive power necessary to find our place in a living, thinking universe and prepares us for the next leap in our own evolution. We have arrived at the point of action. By utilizing quantifiable signatures, we transition from speculative observation to rigorous, mathematical detection. This universal framework empowers us to identify biosignatures and technosignatures with equal precision, stripping away terrestrial bias. The result is a definitive methodology for mapping life and intelligence across the cosmos. We now possess the fundamental laws to recognize complex assembly wherever it emerges, ensuring our exploration efforts are targeted and high-yield. This isn't just about finding life, it's about establishing a new standard for universal discovery. We are finally equipped to answer the greatest questions of existence with empirical certainty. We are at the threshold of a new era where humanity finally integrates into the broader cosmic narrative. This vision isn't just about discovery, it's about building a physics that accounts for our own existence. By expanding our definitions of intelligence and technology, we unlock the potential to see the universe as a living system. The tools we are developing today are the keys to confirming our place among the stars. The ultimate outcome is a profound shift in perspective. Moving from isolation to being an integral part of a universal story. This framework provides the scientific foundation to navigate our future with purpose. We are no longer mere observers, we are the vanguard of a living universe, equipped with the mathematical certainty to find our peers and understand our destiny. By treating life as an informational process, we transcend the limitations of Earth-centric chemistry and tap into the fundamental logic of the universe. This framework provides the quantifiable signatures necessary for definitive discovery. The cycle of theory and experiment showcased here delivers the predictive power to identify life in any form, anywhere in the cosmos. The outcome is a standardized, rigorous methodology that replaces guesswork with mathematical certainty. We are no longer just looking for life as we know it, we are mastering the universal laws of assembly and information that govern existence itself. This shift ensures that our exploration is not just vast, but targeted and successful.